case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, the New Jersey Superior Court Appellate Division heard the case of Maplewood Bank v. Sears, which centered around the rights of a purchase money security interest holder in a foreclosed property. Sears had installed a new kitchen in the mortgaged premises and filed a financing statement to secure their interest. However, when the property was foreclosed upon, the court ruled that the first mortgagee, Maplewood Bank and Trust, had priority in the funds, rejecting Sears' argument that they should have priority as a purchase money security interest holder. The case proceeded as an uncontested foreclosure action, and the court ultimately issued a final judgment in favor of the first mortgagee, Maplewood Bank and Trust. The ruling established that in a foreclosure sale, the first mortgage lender is entitled to priority in the funds realized from the sale. Despite Sears' purchase money security interest in the fixtures, the court held that their interest did not extend to the real estate. As a result, Sears' remedy in the event of default was limited to removal of the fixtures, subject to certain reimbursement requirements. In order to alter property rights, the court mandated that a clear approach must be followed. Consequently, the court affirmed the summary judgment in favor of the plaintiff, Maplewood Bank and Trust, denying Sears' claim for priority in the foreclosure sale funds.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.